您正在收看的是新西蘭報中心之窗試點。
榮幸，好榮幸，好感謝大會對呢一個劇本嘅嘉許同埋鼓勵。呢一個劇本係寫嶺南文化，好熱血，亦都有好多生活嘅反省。呢一個劇本係由首席編劇林靜女士，仲有我，同埋另外兩位嘅編劇姚妍婷女士同埋葉賢順女士一齊完成嘅。最緊張、最緊要嘅就係由我哋總導演高志森先生，佢俾我哋好多嘅靈感，所以先至能夠去完成到呢個劇本。我哋會繼續努力，我哋會繼續講好中國故事，會繼續講好大灣區故事。多謝 ，thank you，thank you，多謝。
Clifton Ko-Chi Sung is a prolific director, producer, screenwriter, and editor of films, documentaries, and TV dramas. He has also produced hundreds of stage plays, musicals, Cantonese operas, concerts, and large-scale celebrations. Clifton entered the booming Hong Kong TV and film industry in the late 1970s and directed his first film in 1984. His early works are comedies intertwined with moral teaching, family values, and optimism. Clifton was also known for making movies targeted for release during the Chinese New Year. He has over 85 film credits, including Happy Ghost, Chicken and Duck Talk, It's a Mad, Mad, Mad World, All's Well Ends Well, I Have a Date with Spring, and The Mad Phoenix, many of which have received international awards. In 1997, at the 34th Golden Horse Award, Clifton won Best Film Editing for his work in The Mad Phoenix. In 2006, he was awarded the Medal of Honor by the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region government. In 2008, Clifton won the Gold Award for Art Promotion in the Hong Kong Arts Development Awards. And in 2013, he received the University Fellowship from the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. He is currently a council member of the China Theatre Association and has been appointed as a member of the Board of Directors of the Hong Kong Academy for Performing Arts. Today, the Toronto Chinese Canadian Film Festival is honored to present the Jade Maple Award in the Best Cross-Media Producer category to Mr. Clifton Ko-Chi Sung.
代表呢個得獎人同大家分享幾句。最佳新人獎獲得者係吳文良先生，佢委託我喺呢度感謝電影展大會對佢嘅鼓勵。吳文良年僅20歲，佢係廣州體育學院武術表演專業，廣東省大學生舞龍舞獅錦標賽冠軍。佢而家係國家級嘅舞龍舞獅運動員。佢第一次主演電影，組內嘅同事對佢嘅評價都好高。佢好謙厚，亦都好肯學習，好勤力。佢嘅表現非常之好，靚仔打得。相信呢個獎項呢，會對佢係一個好大嘅鼓勵。喺度特別去代表佢再多謝大會，多謝各位 ，thank you。